and welcome for the love of food. Today we're going to be talking about meal prep. Meal prep is one of those things that everybody knows they should do, just like going to the gym. We know we should do it every day, and we feel better when we go to the gym. Well, just like that, we need to be meal prepping every week. So what I'm proposing with the love of food is that I help you get through the first 4 weeks of drudgery of meal prep. So how about if I come in and I coach you along just like you would hire a personal trainer? I think that could work. So what we've done is we've designed a series of trainings that are available to those people who are really serious and who want to work with somebody on a more regular basis. And for those of you who are just curious and just learning, we'll be doing some videos, free videos that will be available to you that'll help you get over that hump. Now, let me just tell you, there are 3 reasons why most people fail at meal prep. The first word is right in the name, preparation. People don't prepare. And what do I mean by that? Well, they don't start off with the right tools. They don't have the things that they need to be able to set themselves up for success. Just like these containers. We're going to talk a lot about these over the next few weeks. We're going to tell you which ones I love, which ones I hate. So let us make the mistake for you so you don't go out and spend a ton of money on items that aren't going to work for you. We want to set you up for success. The second reason that most people fail at food prep is, again, in the name, preparation. They don't prepare menus. Now, if you're not a professional chef, you're not used to preparing a menu week in, week out for your family, or even if you live by yourself. Even worse, you tend to graze and not, even prepare to go to the supermarket. Or worse, maybe you don't go at all, you just get takeout. We're gonna fix that for you. So number 1, I'm just gonna repeat, was that you don't have the right tools to be prepared. Number 2 was the fact that you don't prepare by creating menus. And the third reason why people fail at meal prep is because they don't make a shopping list. They go to the store and they realize they didn't have all the ingredients or the items that they needed. So we're gonna help you get through that by helping you with knowing what right items to buy. We're going to help you with menu planning, and we will be sharing our menu planning with those of you who participate in our trainings. And we will also share our shopping list with those of you who are in our scheduled training classes. Now, don't worry if you're not in them yet. That's okay. We're still going to help you. We're going to help you learn to work faster, better, and with better items. And here's the reason why you need to be food prepping. Let's just face it. We all know that the cost of food is rising. What I used to spend $70 a week on now costs me $100. So money, saving money, that's one reason why you need to food prep. Number 2 is that you're eating healthier when you're cooking at home. Now, I'm not a nutritionist, but we all know that I love to play with food and I love to eat. So when we're eating out, the problem is that we're too tempted by the things we shouldn't be eating. We're eating those fried pub food items or fast food items or just quick grab and go items. None of that is necessarily healthy for you. And the reason for that is that restaurants and even places that you can take away items, that you might drive up and pick something up or buy something that's already prepared for you, they want to make it taste as good as it possibly can for the least amount of money. It's not their fault, that's their business model. So what they're doing is they're making it taste really good by adding in all that extra fat and butter and so forth. Now, I'm not a nutritionist. We're gonna cook with oils and we're gonna cook with butter. I mean, yes, that's gonna happen. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to do that healthier. And my menus are set up that way so that it's healthy eating. if you think about it, you can't really eat out every night of the week. It's not cost effective, right? So what happens is that you end up picking items up to kind of fill in here and there. You might cook once or twice a week, or you might buy a lot of food at the supermarket thinking you're going to food prep, and then you don't. All right. So again, we're talking about the reasons why you need to food prep. So there's money, there is quality of the food, right? So there's cost savings and eating better. And the other reason that you need to food prep is it really does save you a lot of time during the week. And now you won't waste food. So we're going to be putting all of that into motion for you and with you. And we're really excited about this. We are launching a website that will be available through Love of Food. It's called Meal Prep Made. And this is where you're going to be able to learn a lot more about classes and things that are coming up. So we hope that you'll join us on our journey. We want to help everybody get better at meal prepping as a whole. So thank you so much for watching For the Love of Food.